Hello class, I will take a few moments to explain the discussion post for the Strengths acronym. You completed the Strengths Finder assessment, and as a result, you should have received 5 top strengths. Your top strengths would read something such as deliberative, strategic, relator, achiever, responsibility. There are 34 possible strengths, and so you have received 5 of the 34. What I would like you to do in this assignment is create an acronym to help you remember and explain your top 5 strengths. In my example, that would be D for deliberative, S for strategic, R for relator, A for achiever, R for responsibility. DSRAR. I made up the sentence, "Don't stare right at Riker." What I would like you to do is develop a sentence that helps you to remember your top 5 and also may help you to remember a little bit more about the meaning of your top 5. You also should include a sentence that summarizes what your acronym means. For me, that sentence is, Riker is the Crafton Hills mascot, and therefore we shouldn't always stare at him. We should interact with him. We maybe should take pictures with him. We should smile at him, but don't just stare at Riker, right? Hopefully this helps you to understand a little bit more about how to create and finish this assignment, Strengths acronym. Thank you.